This is David Gonzalez. I'm here with Colton RV and Marine. Behind me, I have a 2026 Grech Strada-ion. I do want to talk today about what's new in 2026, and I just wanted to show you this beautiful, beautiful RV. Okay. So again, start up front. This is going to be on your Mercedes 3500 chassis. It is going to be the largest Grech that they offer. It's going to be 24 feet in length. All right, so a little backstory on Grech. Now, they did start off as a limousine company. They have now transitioned into RVs. So compared to all the other Class Bs on the market, you'll notice this is pretty much one of the only ones that don't look like an RV, right? So you guys are probably used to seeing just a bunch of punch holes here for, water connections, power outlets, all that stuff. So with Grech, what they've done, they've essentially completely covered it with this strip right here. So behind there, it's going to be all your connections. So your power connection, your outdoor shower, your place where you hook up for to dump, everything's going to be in one fully enclosed stainless steel compartment, just so everything's put away, which I do mention, I want to say that is going to be great for your HOAs. So a lot of these HOAs around here, they don't allow RVs to be parked. So with a Grech, it ultimately looks like a limousine, just with the fact that you can actually utilize it as an RV. So want to come to the back of the coach. So because this is going to be their largest model, this Strada is going to offer you the most amount of trunk space out of any Grech that they offer. It's going to be about 15 inches of trunk space in the rear. Do want to point out, it's going to have a built-in back camera that comes standard. It's going to display right on the display on your Mercedes side of things. So if we come under here, guys, I'm going to show you. Okay. So this is going to be where all your batteries are housed. They are going to be using a lithionics battery system. It's going to be 16,000 amp hours of lithium battery power, which is going to give you a runtime of 14 hours on that AC on a single charge. Now, there are also a couple things that are contributing to that. You are going to have your Arco Zeus alternator. You're going to have a 3,000 watt Victron inverter, as well as the 200 watts of solar that's built in on the roof. So again, all that combined is going to give you about 14 hours on the AC runtime on a single charge, okay? That is also going to be 50% faster charging compared to the 2025 models. So again, just another huge and exciting thing that's coming in 2026. So guys, now we're on the camp side. You will notice it's going to have your Girard power awning. That is going to be wind sensing. So it's going to detect vibrations. That awning will automatically retract in. So you don't have to worry about your awning getting blown off, nothing like that, okay? Okay. Now, I do want to mention a couple things that Grech does differently you can't see. This coach is going to come with built-in air suspension, okay? So it's going to be, it's going to handle those potholes, those bumps, like a dream, okay? It's going to be like you're driving on a cloud. Again, built-in air suspension in the front and the rear. There is going to be a remote on the inside that actually is going to be able to lower the bottom part of the coach, just so loading things in and out is going to be much, much easier, okay? So you come inside, guys. So right here, you notice it's going to be a hidden power step. So as soon as you open that door, that step's going to come out just for getting in and out of the coach way easier. Okay. So now, as we walk in the coach, I do want to mention it's going to have the woven vinyl flooring throughout the entire coach. So of course, if you spill coffee, water, it's going to just sit on my top there. You can clean it right up just to make it less of a mess. Now, this is going to be a Strada tour floor plan. So you are going to be getting a massive wardrobe on the interior for all your clothes, whatever you guys bring camping. Okay. All right. So right here, you're going to have your seats. It's going to be ultra leather seats throughout the coach. Now this is going to be their new color for the interior. So you got the gray as well as the gray in the back cushions, as well as the brown countertops. Now, since we are in the front of the coach, I'm going to talk about the Mercedes side of things. Again, this is on the Mercedes 3500 chassis. It is going to have all the up-to-date safety features in the coach, so active lane assist, start-stop feature, adaptive cruise control, to give you all the safety features that Mercedes offers for 2026. Okay, so if we take a step this way, I wanted to show you guys, this is going to be a fridge. Again, this is going to be run off of electric. It's going to be run off your lithionic system. So you do have a full fridge there, as well as a freezer down there. Okay. So right here, guys, I do want to show you, this is going to be your max air fan. It is going to have rain sensing. So let's say you wanted to, suck some hot air out. It starts raining, that vent will actually close. So you don't have to worry about water getting inside the coach. I'll put this back up. Okay, so right here, guys, you'll notice solid surface countertops with the 2-burner induction cooktop. So you open that up. So full sink there, and again has a nice cover that matches the countertops. Tons of storage in the kitchen area. I'll show you guys all that real quick. Okay. So again, guys, storage for pots, pans, you know, whatever you guys are bringing. Okay. Guys. All right, so if we just continue to scoot along, again, you'll notice kind of on the top of the coach is, you know, overhead storage throughout. Okay. You know, the biggest thing in these vans, guys, Grech is really trying to maximize every single space where you can put storage. They're going to do it. So right here, you'll have a induction cooktop. I'm sorry, you have a convection microwave. So it essentially acts as your oven as well as your microwave. You'll notice actual hardwood cabinetry is, you know, throughout, as well as another feature that Grech does is actually soft close. So, okay. So as we essentially step to the back of the coach, guys, I do want to talk about the bed setup. So right back here is going to be your bed. It's going to be, again, ultra leather, just like the front seats, but it's actually going to have built-in memory foam as well, making it one of the most comfortable beds in any Class B. Okay. So what I want to do, guys, is I want to show you how that looks. So give me 2 seconds here. So you can just come right over here to your Garmin system. So you see sofa, you hit down. Okay, so right here, guys, you can actually leave it like this if you'd like. So it's essentially almost like a twin bed setup where, again, if you have one of you guys get up in the middle of the night, you're able to just kind of get to that middle aisle and go to the bathroom. Or you can make it all one big bed with the ottomans getting, you know, together. So I'll show you that. Okay. Now, guys, when that's together, that's making just shy of a king-size bed. So, you know, it could definitely fit 2 people and a dog, more than enough room, so you guys can lay nice and comfortably, okay? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys, again, one touch of the button to push that sofa up and bring those ottomans back to the starting position. And guys, while I'm on here, you know, putting the ottomans together, I want to show you one other cool thing that this Grech offers in regards to the blinds. So the blinds in Grech, everything's going to be power, right? So you don't have to worry about like pulling them by hand. Everything's a push of a button. So you just, on the screen, hit Shade Master down. All the screens will go down at once. So, you know, it's getting late at night, you know, ready to go to bed. Before getting that bed set up, you want all the blinds to be closed. Just one touch of the button, all the blinds will go down. All right, guys, and then also, if you look at the back of the coach, so this thing does come with a power screen, so I wanted to go ahead and show you that. All right. So guys, you want to open that back doors, you want to let some, you know, fresh air in. You don't want bugs to get in, you have that power screen just to block out any critters from coming in. While we're back here, you do have the gray AC. That's actually a huge change after 2025. It's going to be one of the most quietest and most efficient ACs on the market. Again, you're pairing that with your lithionic system. That's how you're able to get 14 hours of AC time on a single charge, okay? So one thing I want to point out as well, this is going to be your Timberline heating system, okay? It is going to be run off of diesel. It's one of the most powerful and most efficient heating systems that you can get in the Class B, okay? So let's see here. Again, just as we're, you know, back here, I wanted to show you guys everything you get. So massive storage. You do have your solar charge control there. You can see how many, you know, watts are coming in from the solar. You can check your battery life. Everything's right there. Now, this coach does come standard with Starlink Roam. So it's built in. It's a built-in panel that's on the roof. So you're able to get internet access anywhere in the country. You just hop on Starlink, get the subscription, and you'll have internet on the go, okay? So go walk this way. So as we're walking by the bathroom, I want to just show you guys that. So it's going to be your standard wet bath. You guys do get a couple things in here. So you'll notice it does have the toilet there. You got the sink. You have a built-in mirror, so you can make sure you're looking all nice, ready to go. You do have a vent here, so, you know, taking a shower, you want to exhaust all the hot air, you just pop that up, and there you go. You also do have a string, so if you want to hang clothes, whatever you guys want to do, it's built in there. Now you do have a little window here as well, okay? It is manual. You just pop that down and then ready to go, okay? And then of course, just a shower curtain right there for you guys. As well as a mirror, so you can make sure you're looking good for the day, as well as a little coat rack there, okay? All right, guys, now we're in the 2026 Grech Strada-ion, which is gonna be their biggest model out of the, out of their flagships. It's on that Mercedes 3500 chassis. This is gonna be the all-wheel drive model, so yeah, I mean, we're gonna hop on the track now and see how it handles. So let's see here. Yeah, I mean, even just right there, guys. So this thing does have the Kelderman air suspension. Right there, huge bump. I mean, nothing. I mean, it didn't feel it, nothing rattled inside the coach. That's a huge thing I want to point out as I'm just driving this, kind of like first impression, is I hear zero rattling, nothing shaking. You're able to have a normal conversation with your passenger. Yeah, I mean, guys, that was my first turn. I mean, it's so crazy that, I mean, I'm in a 24-foot Class B van, and it's handling better than most cars around these bends. I mean, you hear all the time, like, oh, I'm a little nervous, it's 24 feet, I might want to go with a smaller model. I'll let you guys know this right now. I mean, this thing drives just like a car. I mean, there's no swaying back and forth. It is a little bit of a windier day too here, so it's not rocking back and forth. It doesn't feel super top heavy. I mean, this is, again, the difference between when you go from some other brand to like a brand like Grech. I mean, look, guys, I mean, 40 miles an hour run to bend, nothing, like no issues. One hand on the steering wheel, like it's, I'm not death gripping it, white knuckle, the steering wheel. And I will say, guys, this the new motor that they're using for these things, the 4-cylinder turbo, I mean, you would think just because it's a little small model, I will say the pickup honestly feels amazing. I mean, it has no issues getting up to those highway speeds, 55, 60 miles an hour, like no problem at all. Yeah, guys, if I need another tight bend, I mean, nothing. So right here, guys, is the backup, the rear view mirror that I was referring to with the back camera integrated, which is super nice, right? Because of course, depending what you guys have in the back, right? Like, you might not even be able to see out your, back window. I mean, the fact that this thing has the integrated camera is so convenient. Let's say there's an ambulance behind you. Let's say, God forbid something happened behind you. You're getting pulled over, whatever the case may be, right? It's so nice having that ready to go. And the fact that it's always on, it's so nice. Just that like little bit of peace of mind, just so you can see, because again, people are used to driving their cars where you can just look in your mirror and see right out the back window. And 99% of RVs you can. The fact that it has that is so convenient. Again, compared to a lot of other brands that just don't have that. So I will say that's one feature I noticed that I actually really like, especially now driving it. So, well, guys, I will say now that we just got a lap around the track, I mean, so impressive. I mean, like I said, it's just ultimately just like driving a car. Again, that Kelderman air suspension just makes the world of difference when it comes to your handling, going over bumps, you name it. Like, this vehicle, just no issues at all. Yeah, guys, I think that's pretty much it. So again, I'm David. I'm with Colton RV and Marine, and this is the 2026 Grech Strada-ion. You can reach me at 716-392-2351 with any questions, and looking forward to hearing back from you guys. Hope you guys have a nice day. All right, bye-bye.